Honorable High Court has pronounced the judgment. It has dismissed the petition which was filed by one Mr. Douglas and some 7 other petitioners, claiming to be components of Comunidad of Thivim. Comunidad of Thivim had resolved to give a land of about 2 lakh square meters at rupees 12.50 per square meter to MIT to set up their educational hub. Now this land otherwise is zoned as educational hub, otherwise it's a wasteland. So the Comunidad resolved to give it at rupees 12.50 per square meter. Now this decision was challenged by these persons claiming to be components of the Comunidad by contending that loss is being caused to the Comunidad. The government also supported its decision, saying that there is a scheme and the educational scheme. Comunidad also placed on record that the entire provisions of Code of Comunidad were followed scrupulously, and the amount that is being fetched by the Comunidad is commensurate with the nature of the land, and considering other advantages that the Comunidad would get in terms of a gymnasium, office building for them. They don't have an office building of their own as of now. Then 20,000 scholarship to female students who score 95%, 10,000 scholarship to female students who score 90%, and there are other employment avenues given to the components of Comunidad as well as villages. So we pointed out to the court that it can't be considered only from the prism of commercial benefit to the Comunidad. Other cultural and social benefits also will have to be looked into. Eventually the court has dismissed the petition. As of now we don't have the order, but the honorable judges read the operative part, and what I recollect from that is that there is no public interest involved in this, that the petitioners have tried to stall this project at every stage, and the collective decision of the Comunidad is binding on them, and it was taken in public interest, and the scheme also is in place. So the court has upheld the decision of the Comunidad to grant the land at rupees 12.50 square meters to MIT to set up its educational hub.